What's up, guys? Kyle, Your Behind BBQ, and today we got something special. Chicken stuffed sweet peppers made by the man, the myth, the legend himself, my pops. My dad, Pops, let's see what you got. Let's see what we're doing.
Hey, good. How you guys all doing? So what we're gonna do is Kyle's gonna be doing the mixing and I'll be doing the talking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start and get the meat done first and get it marinating, and then we're gonna work on the peppers. So in the bowl here we have 2 pounds of ground chicken, just regular ground chicken, and we're gonna add some things to it. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and add the bacon. We have some pre-cooked bacon, about a cup there. It's chopped up. And then from there, we're gonna add about a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, okay?
Ooh, look good.
Along with that, we're gonna use some Cosmos
Nashville hot chicken dust.
Wing dust.
All right.
There's about 2 tablespoons in there. Little salt and pepper and garlic.
A little SPG action. How much you think, right there?
Yeah, that's
Taste?
probably good. A little bit more.
A little more?
Probably about a tablespoon total, but. And then we're gonna crack 2 eggs.
Crack those and start mixing. Smells good. Ooh. Now, how long are you gonna let this marinate for?
Oh, about 30 minutes.
30 minutes, all right. So you get it all mixed, put it back in the fridge.
Okay, we've got our eggs beat. We're gonna add them there as a binder.
Mix it real good.
And lastly, we're gonna add some cream cheese. This is a whole 8-ounce cube of cream cheese that's been left out for about 30 minutes to get it kind of soft. And what we want to do is when you put the cream cheese in there, you just don't want to mash everything together and make like a mashed potato kind of thing. So you want to try to integrate chunks of this in there. It's kind of difficult to do, but you'll see when we're done after we cook them, where the cream cheese chunks will really add a lot of flavor and taste to it. So I'm going to break this up a little bit. And Kyle, just kind of carefully fold that in there. Now you could take this recipe and cut it in half. This is probably for about 8 to 10 people that we're gonna have over here later today. And so you can cut the recipe in half. Okay, Kyle, go right ahead. Just a little bit of mix there. You can also use jalapeno peppers if you want. Again, we're using these tricolor sweet peppers. You know, everybody's used to like the jalapeno popper, and everybody does a lot of different things with jalapeno popper. These peppers are not hot, they're sweet, they're really good. So we're getting some of the heat from the Cosmos wing dust. The bacon, and I know sometimes you put bacon wrapped around there, and those can be a hassle trying to get the bacon cooked and everything without doing the cheese. So we pre-cook the bacon, we put it in there, and it's really going to make a very good sweet pepper popper.
Okay, so once it's mixed, it goes into the fridge?
Yes.
All right, the peppers are now stuffed. We put them on top of a cooling rack so it's easier for us to take them in and out of the smoker. Smoker's set up about 275, 300 degrees. Last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle this with a little Cosmos hot chicken dust right on top.
Add a little more heat and a little more color to it also.
Yeah, let's get a little more over here. All right, Pops, you wanna put those in the smoker?
You bet.
Okay, in about 30 minutes, we'll come out here and check the temp of them. They should be 165, and then we'll pull them out. All right, the poppers have been on the smoker for about 37 to 42 minutes. The smoker was about 275, 300 degrees, somewhere in between there. I used the Thermapen. We checked the temp. They're about 167, 168. They're totally done. They're ready to come off. So let's pull those bad boys off.
Oh man, these look good.
Woo! Here, I got the lid.
Wow. Look at these. You can see the
I think those look good.
the cream cheese. It's really good. They really look good.
Well, I guess
Give it a try.
next thing, let's try them out.
You could try a lot of different dipping sauces with these. You know, sometimes just a good barbecue sauce is really good with it. What we've made here is a jalapeno blue cheese, and it's real simple. It's like half mayonnaise, half sour cream,
Very good.
jalapenos chopped up, a little soy sauce, salt and pepper, and a little chives for garnish.
Try 'em.
Mix it up, and it's great. I'm gonna try a little of this. I'm gonna try a little sauce on this.
Well, that looks good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit this subscribe button. I'll have all the links and description and everything we did down at the bottom. Until next time, see you on the next video.